Good morning guys. Today we're going to be converting our macro lens on our cell phone into a microscope using parabolic lenses from a CD player, torch, and we're going to be using onion cells in between two pieces of glass. I don't know if you can just see the onion strip there. Right guys, let's get into it. Alright guys, check this view out. This is with the parabolic lens. You can see the mitochondria and all.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That's the macro lens there. Right, this is with the droplet water on the lens. You can see the cells, probably about 200. Right, now we'll try the parabolic lens from the CD player. Right, I've placed the lens on top of the macro lens just using a droplet of water, and it should stay upside down, which it does. It hasn't fallen, as you see there. Alright, let's give it a try. Right, with the parabolic lens on, you can just see it there. Look how thin the gap is. Macro, you see, I'm selecting macro. And check it out. Cheese. Cheese. Look at that. Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. And yeah, just grab the lens from any old CD player, drop of water, and you can look at onion cells. I'm just using my Dremel. Alright guys, thank you guys. Take care and have a nice day.